Hello everybody, thanks for watching. Today is the Safco extended height office and drafting chair. And this one seems to be working okay. I've got it. I've been using it a few weeks now, and it works. As advertised. It goes up and down, spins around, and it seems pretty sturdy. So I'm just going to go through this today and for anybody who, if you're considering getting, or if you need to get an extending height chair, this might be okay. Oh, well, it doesn't have any armrests, so I guess that's one thing with this model. Well, anyway, Frankie and I are going to get this box opened up here. That's my dog, Frankie. He was certainly curious what's going on here. He always likes to get involved. It's like, what, is there any food in there? What's going on? He'll make an appearance again in a moment. So that's the base or footrest, and seems solid. I don't have any complaints at all about the stability or the solid feel of this chair. It went together well, and it's holding me up. I'm a 200-pounder, and it's holding me up fine. So that's good. That was the instruction manual. There's not many steps. It was pretty easy to put together. There's Frankie making an appearance again with his little tug-of-war toy. Yeah, the seat's pretty heavy. It's well padded. I don't have any complaints about that at all. And the back frame is good as well. You can rock back on the spring in the metal, and that's fine. There's the actual base with the little 5 wheels, so it doesn't feel like it wants to tip over on me. But I don't know. Maybe if I had it up all the way, I've got it up at about halfway up from my drafting table. And this is the hydraulic ram that raises the seat up and down. And there is a cautionary note in the instruction: don't push the little button on the top. I guess that would, cause the pressure in this shock to decompress, right? So, see that yellow cap on there? Don't take that off there and push the button. That would probably not be good. So anyway, that's just about it. That's the parts that came in the box, and we just ordered it in Amazon, and that box showed up on our doorstep. So Amazon, the easy button, so to speak. Let's put these back in the box and then do a quick assembly. I'm not going to go into big detail on the assembly. I don't think that's really needed. Just simple tools should be able to put together. I'm just going to speed through that part. There's like 8 steps. Unwrap the bottom there, put the back and the backrest together, put the ram in the base, and boom, you're there. So a few little screws there you need to put in to get the back and base together. Anyway, here we go. Now it's together, and just a little quick product demo. Slide it around, and I'll just sit on it and demo how the hydraulic works. So you can see it goes up way up. And it holds my weight. A little bit of a shock in there. And then, man, I need to lose some weight, huh? Anyway, that's about it. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Take care out there.